Welcome back. In our previous video, we have seen how to add a drive, format a drive, and create a file system. Also, we have created a file system and named that particular drive as E drive. If you notice, we add a total of 250 GB of space, which is the drive space, and we used only 150 GB out of 250 GB. So there is a remaining space of 100 GB. Assuming that this drive is already full or almost nearing to full, and you wanted to expand this particular E drive, in that case it is very easy to expand and there will be no data loss. Even if you have some files or some data what you have copied onto your E drive, for example, let us take the total number of files what you have. There are 8 files totally, and this is of 6.49 MB of the size. Let us expand the drive using the disk management. Right click on the start, click on disk management. You will get the disk management window, and if you wanted to use the free space, this particular free space, it will show as unallocated space. The used space, it will show as there is a file system created, and also it has got the drive letter as E. Now I wanted to expand this drive. I can simply click on extend volume, click on next, and it will tell you which drive you are going to expand and what is the total size you wanted to expand. So I wanted to use the entire disk space which is available as a free space. I'll simply click on next. If you want to use only part of this 100 GB, let us say you want only 50 GB, then you can even enter only 50 GB here, and you can click on next to expand, so that this drive will become 150 GB plus 50 GB, which is 200 GB. So I'll click on next and finish. If you see, this particular drive has completely expanded and there is no free space available. If you open the drive, the data whatever which was there already, it will exist as it is. There will be no impact to your data. And if you also verify the data which was there, click on properties and you will see it has the same space and there are total 8 files. So this is how you can expand your drive and use the free space which is available on your drive. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe. Thank you. Take care.